Welcome to the Hare Truck Center virtual showroom. Hare Chevrolet, Indy's #1 Chevy dealer, serving Noblesville and Central Indiana since 1847. Today we're looking at a 2019 Chevy Silverado medium duty 4500 regular cab 2-wheel drive work truck. Now let's take a look inside the cab. Power windows, power locks, power mirror adjustments, automatic lights, trailer brake control, and tilt steering wheel. 5-inch touchscreen with integrated backup camera, AM/FM radio, vinyl seats with a bench. This is a 15,000-pound GVW with 26,000-pound GCWR. It's an 84-inch cab to axle with a 12-foot Knapheide platform body, equipped with trailer brake control, hitch and plug. This truck's equipped with a backup alarm, rear view backup camera, and also has a snowplow prep package. For questions on this or any of our other products, give us a call at the number below, or you can visit our Facebook page or online at haretruckcenter.com. Hare Truck Center, a dealer for your business.